Hello and happy Easter, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. I can't believe Easter is right around the corner. Next to Christmas and Thanksgiving, Easter is one of my favorite holidays. But today, I'm going to share with all of y'all an amazing cookie recipe that'll be perfect for your Easter dinner. We're going to make Easter M&M Chocolate Chip Cookies. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. And this is a fun recipe to make with your kids. And everybody's going to fall in love with it. These screams Easter and spring. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cookie recipes playlist and my previous video, Pineapple Upside Down Cake. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your chocolate chips, your M&Ms, and turn on your oven sugar because we're about to bake some Easter M&M chocolate chip cookie magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl and sifter, I have 1 2/3 of a cup of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to sift these. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have a 1/4 of a cup, which is a half a stick of unsalted butter at room temperature, and a 1/4 of a cup of butter flavored shortening. And in 2 hour butter and shortening, we're going to add in our sugars. I have a 1/4 of a cup of white sugar and a half a cup of packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And continue mixing until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, now we're going to slowly add in the flour mixture into the butter and shortening mixture. Add this in slowly so that way we won't make a mess. Alright, that was the last of the flour. We're going to continue mixing until it's well combined. And as soon as I get through mixing everything, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing the cookie dough. And this is what it looks like. So there's a couple more things we're going to add to it. A half a cup of chocolate chips. I'm using the milk, or you can use the semi-sweet or dark chocolate, whatever your heart desires. We're going to add in some pastel M&Ms. Just a half a cup. So all we do now is fold the chocolate chips and M&Ms in. Alright, as soon as I get through folding my chocolate chips and M&Ms in, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up my cookie dough. Now I'm ready to scoop them in the pan. We're going to scoop them in the 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I line with parchment paper, or you can use aluminum foil. So I'm going to take my cookie scoop. I'm just going to scoop them right onto the pan. Just like that. And then I have some leftover pastel M&Ms. Just going to flatten them on top of the cookies. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish scooping out the rest of my cookies, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I got all my cookies together. Don't they look pretty? Look at all the pastel M&Ms on top. So now we're going to place them in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for about 1 hour. Alright my friends, our cookies is done chilling. Now ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 350 degree oven and we're going to let them bake for about 16 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. It smells heavenly. Love the smell of freshly baked cookies. And look at those beautiful M&Ms. So now I'm going to let them cool for about 10 minutes, and then I'll plate them up, and then we'll give them a taste. Alright, my friends, our cookies nice and cool. Before we plate them up, I want to show y'all my Easter platter. Isn't that pretty? Shaped like a bunny. We're ready to plate them up. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Easter M&M Chocolate Chip Cookies. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this cookie. All the M&Ms. Have a bite. Look at the inside. Gooey and chocolatey. Chewy, flavorful, bursting with chocolate goodness. It's nice and buttery. The Easter Bunny will enjoy these cookies. These are marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Easter M&M Chocolate Chip Cookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, stay safe, and happy Easter.